everybody. Today I will be showing you my brand new Kindle Oasis. This is the new 7-inch Kindle Oasis. Just got it in the mail, and I used the Amazon trade-in program to trade in my old Kindle. I got some credit for it, as well as there was a promotional credit for trading in your Kindle, as well as the actual trade-in credit for the Kindle itself. All right, here it is, my new Kindle Oasis. Okay, it's actually pretty small of a box, given how big the box was that it came in. There was no padding or anything. I guess that's how sturdy it is. Okay, so this is the Kindle Oasis box. It says Kindle Oasis. It is not down in any map. True places never are. Herman Melville. Okay. It's a nice, pretty blue box, and it comes wrapped in some plastic bag, which I will open now. I'm investigating a new format for filming these, so this may or may not work out very well. All right, here it is, the box. It's nice and shiny. It's got this kind of weird glossy stuff on the front of this box, and it's got the kind of matte gloss, I don't know, matte shiny but not glossy stuff for the box here, and it's in a sleeve. And the sleeve has some nice detail. It's got like Amazon written on it. Oh, so nice. Oh, our largest Kindle display. Thin and light with dedicated page turn buttons so you can read comfortably for hours. Waterproof, so you are free to read and relax in even more places. So that's one I don't understand. I'm not gonna be swimming with this, but anyway. 300 ppi display with crisp laser quality text that reads like real paper without glare, even in bright sunlight. We'll see. The built-in front light adjusts automatically to ideal brightness, day or night. Keep reading. A single charge lasts weeks, not hours, just like all the Kindles. Select from millions of books, blah, blah, blah. Hold thousands of titles. That's great. Okay, so this is the new Kindle Oasis, a 7-inch, not the old one, which was already fantastic, but 6-inch and not waterproof. Let's see. The Kindle model I had before this was the Voyage. I did not like the Voyage because I really missed the actual clicky hardware buttons on my original Kindle because it was really annoying to not just be able to click a thing to turn the next page. You would just kind of you had to touch the screen, and so sometimes I would accidentally touch the screen as I'm trying to hang on to the Kindle, so the pages would turn when I didn't really want it to. It had the, what was it called? Something press buttons, the Voyage, where it was basically not clicky physical buttons, but just sort of you press the edge of the Kindle, the bezel, I guess, of the Kindle, and it was not very sensitive. So I'd have to keep pressing really hard to try to get it to turn. It was awkward to hold. I really hated the Voyage. Even though it was an upgrade from the original Kindle, that it looked much nicer. So I'm hoping that now Kindle Oasis will solve my Kindle problems, have real buttons like the old Kindles, and hence be easier to hold with that little kind of fatter edge that it's supposed to have. And yes, it is waterproof. I don't know why anybody, I guess people read at the beach, by the pool, in the tub, I don't know. Anyway, all right, so here it is. And I know I already started to slide it out of the box, out of the sleeve. Put that there. Now I've got this nice black box with the Amazon smile on it. And then here we go. Here it is. Point of no return. Well, it's Amazon, so I really could return it. But anyway. Oh. Ooh. Actually, that was surprisingly less satisfying than I thought it was going to be. Okay. Here we go. Ta-da! You got to see my Kindle before I got to see it just now there. there it is, my Kindle Oasis. I love this blue. This is like my favorite color. Must mean the Oasis is meant for me. Or maybe it's meant to look like water. I don't know. Oh, wow. Okay, nice that it's like charged and lighting up right away. See that? There we go. Ooh, whoa. Ooh, it looks beautiful. Okay, so here it is. It's turned on right away, so you can see the screen is on. And it's in this like plastic sleeve. Let's see what else is in the box. We've got, what is this? Oh, learn more about, it's a quick start guide, I believe. There you go. No, it's not actually. It's just a battery safety and water protection. You know, if you immersed your Kindle in water, unplug everything and blah, blah, blah. I wonder if it says to put it in rice, huh? Don't try to dry your Kindle with a microwave oven or hairdryer. Okay, good to know. Do not intentionally immerse your Kindle. What? Do not expose it to pressurized water, high velocity water, extremely humid conditions. So don't use it in the steam room at the spa. Okay. All right, and oh good, it comes with a cord. So you can charge it. Of course, it does not come with a wall adapter to actually plug it into something, but that's all right, because many of us have a variety of devices already, and so we don't really need that. You can probably just use whatever you plug your phone into. And has a nice little bed. It's got this weird kind of, I don't know what this is. It's like, it's not fuzzy, but it's not smooth. It's like compressed paper or something. Is there anything secret down here? Nope. One day somebody's gonna put something in there and I'm gonna be the one to find like the $100 bill. Okay, and that's the box. Let's take a look at this, the Kindle. All right, so it started up right away. I'm gonna open it from its sleeve. There we go. The first thing it shows me is what language, so I'm going to pick English, United States, and now it's turning on. Okay, and wow, okay, so it feels really slippery in my hand, which I don't like as much as kind of the old original Kindles are kind of that more plasticky thing, which is nice because then you don't feel like you're about to drop it, but it does have this nice little raised, extra thick kind of edge here, so it's nice to hold on to. So that I like. At least I feel like I'm not immediately gonna drop it. I totally see this like sliding off like my table, my counters, my nightstand, everything. Like it's just too you can't see that, sorry. But it's just too slippery, I think. For me, maybe getting a case will solve that problem. I don't know. Okay, so as for the actual device, you've got a button right here. I presume this is the on-off button. And you've got a little port right here for charging. So there's that. And there's this. And these here are my beloved actually pressable buttons. So I'm looking forward to turning pages with actual buttons and not accidentally sliding my hand over it all the time. All right, Kindle Oasis. Ooh, it sells me on all its new features. Large 7-inch display. So I was really worried about this larger display being 7 inches instead of 6 inches like the old Kindle Oasis because I was worried it would be harder to carry around with me. But I have a fairly small purse and I was actually able to slip it into my like little purse. So that was pretty amazing. I'll actually show you. So here is my purse. And I'm like, you know, it's just like a little kind of side purse, right? And I was like, there's no way. But, believe it or not, this thing actually fits into my purse. It's amazing. I'm not quite sure. At least it did at the store. I took a look at the Kindle Oasis in the Amazon store before I bought it. And somehow, there we go. It fits! Isn't that amazing? I just put my Kindle in my little, like, crossbody purse. So, pretty fantastic. Alright, so this is... Oh, it even has the same little screensaver thing as my old one. New Kindle Oasis 7-inch waterproof. Don't really know why you'd want it waterproof. Some of the other things people are upset about on the internet is that it doesn't do the immersion reading thing where it'll... so it does have Audible and it will read to you, but it won't read to you at the same time as you're reading text, which people are mad about on the Amazon reviews. I don't really understand why. It is like the one thing I would have never thought anybody would want, because I'd either want it to read it to me or I read it, not ever both at the same time. But I know there must be very legitimate reasons why people want this, and I understand that. Just not my thing. Alright, other than that, feels really good. Looks like it's too big, but I mean, it fits in my little purse, so that's really all I need. Buttons are clicky. I'm liking that. Thanks for watching.